This is the first page of our software in which we offer multiple modules to the client, like
Mm-hmm.
lead management, CRM, approval, Buopso form, and task management. We are
Okay.
already catering to real estate industry with the help of lead management and task management, and we are
Okay.
going to do the same for you as well. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Just like as I told you before, we are going to integrate all those lead generation platform which you are using for the lead generation. If
Mm-hmm.
just in case if you are using 99 bricks, 99 acres, Magic
Mm-hmm.
Brick, or any other two, in that
Ah.
case, or housing.com, we can
Mm-hmm.
integrate those platform too. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
As well as this is our real estate demo account in which
Mm-hmm.
we have already created the client information field on the
Uh-huh.
behalf of our client's POV and our POV. Just
Mm-hmm.
like first name, last name, email, their next follow-up date, and
Mm-hmm.
the which kind of property they require from your side, like residential, commercial,
Mm-hmm.
land, apartment, villa,
Yeah.
as well as what is the purpose of coordinating you, like buy,
Yes.
sale, or rent,
Mm-hmm.
and the budget they are finding, how like area, what are the amenities they require within a property,
Mm-hmm.
as well as if just in case your field executive is present within the location which has been final by the client. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so he can just to open his phone and open our mobile application, and just he need to click over here to fetch his current location of the site,
Okay.
and that's
Mm-hmm.
it. Just like this. Okay. As well as we have already created a lead journey of it, like new inquiry, hot lead, NA lead qualification, follow up,
Mm-hmm.
site visit schedule, negotiation, and other two.
Yes,
Now, sir,
yes.
these our software is 80% customizable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so whenever we are going to onboard you, we are going
Mm-hmm.
to assign a backend executive who is going to design the whole software according to your work model from
Mm-hmm.
scratch to end. And this
Mm-hmm.
process take almost like 1 to 2 hours. That's it. As well as we do have a ownership feature with us, because of which every lead which is going to be land within your software, every lead is going to have an individual owner of it within your
Mm-hmm.
sales team.
Yes,
And
yes.
whenever any of the lead is going to assign to anyone, he is going to have a pop-up notification that lead has been assigned to them.
Yes.
One is over here, as well as one is going to be pop up on his phone mobile as well.
Mm-hmm.
Now, sir, like Mr. Pandey, every action which is going to be done by this person, our
Mm.
owner of the lead, he is responsible for the nurturing of the lead.
Yes.
Okay, now every action which is going to be done by him is going to be captured by our activities logs, just
Okay.
like this. Okay, when this lead was created, what
Mm.
are all the action has been done, and how between how many gaps all
Mm-hmm.
the follow up has been taken care of by this
Mm-hmm.
person.
Mm.
Okay, as well as if you wanted to know and proper call history of this particular lead, this is
Mm.
going to be shown to you like this, like
Mm.
incoming call, outgoing call, how many
Mm.
minutes or second they were active on the call, by whom this call has been done, and what
Mm.
was timing of it.
Mm.
If you wanted to know the collaborate view of the whole team calling system, this is
Mm.
going to be shown to you just like this.
Mm.
The mobile number they have called on, what kind
Yeah.
of status is, like outgoing missed call you have received,
Yes, yes.
for how many minutes they were active, and by whom this call has been done.
Okay.
This call is going to be captured by their mobile application.
Yes.
Okay, so like every action is going to be captured within the software. As
Okay.
well as just in case, like your executive has approached me.
Mm.
Okay, they got a lead from me. Okay,
Mm.
they
Mm.
approached me and I have scheduled a particular site visit of
Yes.
next week.
Yes.
Now, just for the reminder purpose,
Ah.
they can create a task for it,
Yes. Yes.
like a site visit
Yes.
and like address of it or anything
Yes.
else too.
XYZ, like any builder name or location, something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
the same person who is the owner of the lead is going to be attend that site visit, then it's okay. If there
Yeah.
is someone else, they can assign that too.
Yeah. Yeah.
And time of it, like
Date and time. Yeah.
date and time, and a
Mm.
reminder which we are going to send to
Mm.
his executive
Mm. Mm.
to fulfill this task, just like 15 or 1 hour ago.
Wash. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, every task which we are going to save within this platform is
Mm.
going to be saved within our calendar view,
Then yes. Yes.
just like this. So, like
Yes.
he can schedule the whole day scenario routine a day
Mm.
before. Okay.
Yeah.
And just like this, just in case, there is any site which is visit task which you have given to any of your executive,
Mm-hmm.
and by the completion of this site thing, there
Mm-hmm.
is a particular selfie or you required with a
Mm.
client, or
Mm.
any current location fetch, or
Yes.
any feedback.
Any feedback? Yes. Yeah.
In that case, your executive just click on it, go to edit,
Yeah.
and save that information over here, just like this, XYZ, or if there is any photo, file, picture,
Yes.
or
Yeah.
PDF, they can attach that thing directly. And
Okay.
just
Yeah.
to just access this information, you just need to go to calendar, open the task, and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. As well as this whole format is going to be designed according to your workflow.
Mm-hmm.
Now, sir, the very next thing is our grid view. Okay, like as you have told me, the one thing is missed by me that we do have a one-click follow-up scenario.
Mm-hmm.
Just like this. Just after one click, they can select any date as well as time for the
Yes.
follow-up, and
Yeah.
they are going to have a pop-up notification for this thing. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, the very next thing is our review. Like
Yeah.
you have told me, like you are having multiple sources of lead generation.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And we do have a two scenario assigning lead to every executive, and that's it. Like we do have a round robin system once, in which just suppose you are having three executive,
Mm-hmm.
and first lead is going to be assigned to A, second is going to assign to B, third one is going to assign to C. Now the
Mm-hmm.
fourth one is going to be assigned to again A, and this
Yeah.
loop is going to be circulated.
Circulated. Yes. Yes.
Okay, as well as you can assign this lead manually too,
Mm-hmm.
just like this. Like all your leads, like 30 leads, select
Mm-hmm.
all over executive, and that's it.
Yeah. It'll be
Just
keep
like that.
circulating.
Yeah. So like over here we are assigning that thing manually.
Mm-hmm.
Like these 30 leads is going to be distributed equally between our seven executives. And
Mm-hmm.
these seven executives are going to have a pop-up notification that lead has been assigned to them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. As well as the very next view is Kanban view. Like
Mm-hmm.
initial of the meeting, I've showed you this kind of thing, like lead
Mm-hmm.
journey of it. New, hot lead, any follow-up.
Mm-hmm.
Our next view is connected to this field only. Okay, which gives you a proper accountability of
Mm-hmm.
every lead which is present within your software. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like within new inquiry, you have got seven, hot lead is one, lead qualification is one, site visit is one, negotiation offer is nine, just like this.
Mm-hmm.
Your executive could use drag and drop functionality. Once they
Yes.
change their stage over here,
Yeah.
between other within other views, the stage is going to be changed automatically.
Yeah.
Now, sir, the very next thing is our dashboard. Okay, this is our demo dashboard. We are going to customize this dashboard according to your reporting system.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, just like what we have done as of now is how many leads is generated today, how many
Mm-hmm.
follow-up are currently. These follow-up are the hot follow-up, which are
Mm.
90%, which is having 90% chances of conversion.
Yes.
Okay, as well as qualified lead, which means like the leads which got converted into sales, and
Mm-hmm.
disqualified lead,
Yeah.
as well as a individual executive dashboard of their day-to-day activity, like
Mm-hmm.
how many people he has contacted today, how many
Mm.
leads got disqualified by him, how many follow-up he has done today, and how
Mm-hmm.
many fresh calls he's having, and how many leads got qualified by him.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, we have created a pie chart of
Yes.
collaborate whole team, how many
Mm-hmm.
leads has converted by him them within a month.
Mm. Yes.
Just like by Dhruv Chatru, it is 5, Pallavi is 5, Demo
Yeah.
is 8 is 4,
Yeah.
just like this.
Yeah.
So like these are all the features which we already have within our software,
Mm-hmm.
and we are going to customize this whole scenario just according to your work model.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Okay.
now apart from these all features, is there any other feature you require within software?
That's right. As you told, the audio will be captured either side. I mean, the customer and the assigned lead.
Actually, sir,
Um,
like this is a mobile application and for
mm.
the CRM purpose, so we cannot capture the audio recording
Acha, acha.
because of Android privacy policies.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
It's a mobile app due to be it can also be operated on an, this one, no, like a computer,
yeah, sir.
but again it will not capture the voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is no permission for that. Only thing is how long they spoke, when all they spoke, all those things we can monitor. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
done.
we can create a dashboard of it. Like if there is any five executive, how many
Mm-hmm.
calls has done by them within a day.
Mm-hmm.
We can
Mm-hmm.
create that too.
Okay, okay. Okay, my sincere request is kindly send me an demo version. Let me go through with this and show to my partner also. Okay, let him come to know what it is and how much useful is this. Accordingly, we will just have a look with this. We'll try with this. Then we will come back to you. Is any other customization for our purpose, or this is more than enough for us? We will just tell you what it is and try to share me the cost also. What is the subscription and how long it is and what are the charges?